Hey guys, so Forbes just dropped their list of highest paying master's degrees. I went through the list and realized that like half of the degrees on this list are what I call hackable, which means you can go earn these entire master's degrees in like 3 to 6 months if you do it right. So I'm going to walk you through how to do it for each of the degrees on this list. If you don't know who I am, my name is Ryan and I earned a bachelor's degree in just 9 months. Now I teach other people how to earn college degrees really quickly. Now let me show you how to do it really quickly with these particular degrees on the highest paying list. Now, number one on the list is a traditional MBA. This is one of the easiest master's degrees to accelerate. Number two is a MSN, a Master's of Science in Nursing, Economics and Finance, Computer Science, Machine Learning, and Health Informatics. Let's start at the top. With an MBA, the first place I'd look, one of my favorite schools for master's degrees, Western Governors Universities. If you go to their business programs, click on master's degrees. As you can see here, Master of Business Administration. Traditional MBA, this program is structured so that you're going at your own pace, you're testing out of your classes, and you're testing out of classes with essays as well. Any master's degree is going to be a little more essay heavy. So instead of just taking a final exam, some classes you're going to have to write an essay to challenge the class or to prove that you're ready to test out of the class. This school is structured really well for that. I'm going to teach you how to do this stuff in just a minute. But if you do want some other schools with some pretty cool MBA programs that are hackable, South College, if you go to their competency-based education programs, select a program. As you can see here, they have an MBA executive program, which is pretty awesome and fully self-paced. Purdue University Global is another one of these schools. If we go to their degree programs, go to business administration. As you can see here, they have this Excel Track Master of Business Administration. This is the degree that I would go for if I'm at Purdue Global looking for an MBA. This is really fast to 100% self-paced. Now let's dive into the MSN, the Master of Science in Nursing. Not many schools have fully self-paced MSN programs, but if you go to Western Governors University, scroll to Health and Nursing, click on their master's degrees, you're going to see a couple of options here. First off, a BSN to MSN. So if you're already a BSN, this bridges you to an MSN and you can do this program in just a couple of months if you do it right. Next would be an RN to MSN. They have nursing and leadership, they have nursing informatics, and they have nursing education, but it takes you all the way from an RN to an MSN, skipping the BSN, so you walk away with a master's, skipping the bachelor's degree. You can do this in 6 to 12 months. Is totally possible if you do it right. Now let's roll to economics and finance. Now I don't know of any economics or finance master's degrees that are fully hackable, but I do know of some bachelor's degrees. Then you could move on from economics or finance and go get an MBA accelerated. So your undergrad is in something like finance. Your master's degree is like an MBA. Those two combined are going to get you really close to like a master's in finance. Now we did already talk about how to get the MBA. So let me show you a finance program that I really like. Now, my personal favorite would be at WGU. Again, we scroll down here in their business degrees. It's this BS in finance. This is a program that I would shoot personally for 6 to 12 months to earn the whole bachelor's degree. Then with any of the MBA programs that I showed you, I would just transfer into one of those, go get the MBA. Then you've got a Bachelor of Finance and an MBA, and you can finish all of it in a year and a half if you do it right. Let's jump into computer science. Now, again, I don't know of any masters in computer science, but you can hack a bachelor's in computer science and then go get like a technology management type master's degree. So you can have both of those things under your belt. Now, my personal favorite for bachelor's degrees in technology would be WGU. If we go to their tech programs, if we look at bachelor's degrees, computer science, this one here is my very favorite. But if we go back to their master's programs, let me show you what I would personally do. I would do like an MBA in IT management or an IT management. Combine that with a computer science degree, you've got some pretty cool credentials under your belt and you're high paying in a really short amount of time. Now for machine learning, I don't know of any specific machine learning master's degrees that are fully hackable. Most tech degrees are going to get you into AI jobs these days. So you're starting to learn more AI in pretty much any tech degree. Let's jump into a master's degree in health informatics. Personally, what I've seen is the highest paying degrees in health informatics would be nursing degrees in health informatics. Now, for those nursing degrees, again, I would probably choose WGU. And they have this nursing informatics degree. It's an RN to MSN. Now, let's jump into how to actually get these degrees really, really quickly. There's a couple things you need to do. First, for a master's degree, you have to get a bachelor's degree first. If you want to learn accelerated paths to bachelor's degrees, I'll leave a link right here showing you how to do that. Now, to earn any of these degrees really, really quickly, you have to make one crucial connection. Universities are businesses. They want more money. They're not going to walk up and say, hey, let us help you get this degree in 3 months, because guess what? They make less money when you graduate faster. So the key here is taking education out of the hands of the university and putting it into your own hands. Now, the process I would walk you through is step one, find schools that allow you to earn degrees at your own pace, which I've just shown you for all of these different degrees. Step two, figure out what you need to learn to test out of these classes. If you know what you need to learn, you can go study those things without going through the school's full curriculum model. You can learn on YouTube, you can learn with AI, you can learn through the entire internet. You've got your phone in your pocket at all times. You can learn very, very easily. And the final step is to test out of your classes. Now, for master's degrees, sometimes they're going to be more essay heavy. So you're going to test out using a multiple choice exam, or you're going to write an essay to prove to the teacher that you're ready to get credit for that class. If you get a passing grade, you get full credit. What I want to do is I'm going to leave a link to a video down below where I walk you through my 3-step degree hacking process, and I go deeper into how to actually do this. Hope that video helps, and I hope this video has added value to your day. Talk to you in the next video.